everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Melanie and I do mainly daily food hauls and weekly food hauls. I also do hauls from Argos, TK Maxx and B&M. So if that's the type of video you enjoy watching, then please feel free to subscribe to my channel because there is always haul videos on this channel. So as you can tell by the title of this video, today is a B&M haul. It's a very small haul, but I thought I would just share everything that I got. So I picked up two of these Pepsi Maxes. I think they're either 49 or 59p each, which is almost half the price they are in the shop. I then picked up a pack of mixed fuses, 10 plant pots because I'm going to grow sunflowers again this year, which I did last year, but I didn't do them till like end of May time, but they still grew, but I'm going to get them done as soon as you're allowed to sow them. I think that's what they're called, and I think it's March you can start doing that, so pick them up today. I picked up one of my favourite candles because they're still selling this. I think they've reduced it to $1.79 now. These are my favourite pens and I think they were $1.59. I just really like them. They're really comfy to use because they're wider. So I am running out of them because I write a lot for work, so I've just picked up another pack. I've never got them from B&M before. Then this is one of my favourite drinks. It's so refreshing and only 69p a can. I've picked up 5 in total, and then this bottle of Drench. I think I've had it before and I think I liked it. And that is everything that I picked up, and that came to £10.26. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and I'll try and answer them, and I'll be back very soon with another B&M haul. Thank you for watching everyone, bye.